Good day. Today I'm gonna show you our backyard garden. This is our backyard garden. Here is our Chinese cabbage. And this one is radish. We put this way because Chinese cabbage is good for cool weather. Our place is a warm area, so we need to put this cabbage in a cool area. So we're looking for a cooler area. Sometimes here in this area is hot or warm, so we transfer this to another location sometimes. This one is from coconut, or we call this here in the Philippines bunot. This bunot cover the soil to protect from rain, so that the fertilizer or some nutrients will not immediately disappear. This one is our chili or pepper from Leon, Iloilo. This is our dragon fruit. And this is also one of the variety of sugarcane. Thank you for watching. Hope you subscribe.